Good morning, students. So, we are studying about the rational numbers. In last video, we have learned how to represent the rational number on number line. Now, we have to study operation on rational numbers. Operation is what is the relation of rational numbers in addition, in subtraction, in multiplication and in division. All the relations of rational numbers under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division we have to study. So first operation is addition of rational numbers. First of all, we have to know about the addition of rational number. Rational number can be added in two cases. When the rational numbers are given, and in first case when denominators of given rational numbers are equal. When there are two rational numbers or three rational numbers are given, and when the denominators of rational numbers are equal. What should I do when the denominators of rational numbers are equal? Suppose that we take let P and P by Q and R by Q are two rational numbers. Here we see that we let P by Q and R by Q are two rational numbers. Here we see that in both rational numbers denominators are equal. हम दोनों में देखते हैं कि इस रेशनल नंबर में और इस रेशनल नंबर में P by Q and R by Q. Here in both rational number denominators, in first rational number denominator is Q, in second rational number denominator is Q. In this condition, in both rational number denominator is common. When the denominator is common, or you can say when the denominator is same in both rational numbers, then we add the numerator of both rational number. Like this, P by Q plus R by Q is equal to Q. Both are like. So we write Q common and we add both P plus Q. This is the answer. This is the addition of common denominators of different rational number. Here P by Q. Take the numerical, add the examples. Add the say 5 by 7 and minus 2 by 7. Examples. Here we see that 5 by 7 and minus 2 by 7 in both denominator is common. So according to this we have to write denominators, common denominators, and we add 5. So we write 5 by 7 plus minus 2 by 7 is equal to 7. We add 5 minus 2. 5 out, 2 from 5, we get 3 by 7. Easily we can solve it. If the denominators are equals in the rational number, we simply rewrite denominator and we add the numerators. This is the first condition of addition of rational numbers. Now we see the second condition. Here we have to discuss the second condition when denominators of case second. Case second, when denominators of given rational numbers are not equal, are unequal. In second case, when the denominators of given rational numbers are unequal. Let P by Q and R by S. R by S are two rational numbers. Rational numbers. When denominators of given rational numbers are unequal, जब दो रेशनल नंबर का डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल ना हो, what should I do in those conditions? In those conditions, first of all, we see that denominator should be in positive. पहले देखते हैं कि डिनोमिनेटर जो वो पॉजिटिव में हो. If they are not positive, we have to make them into positive denominators. After that, take the LCM. Take the LCM. By taking the LCM, you have to make the denominators into common denominators, and you have to solve the fraction. Let P plus P by Q plus R by S. LCM of Q by Q and R. Yes. LCM of Q and S is QS. So if you divide QS is the LCM. QS, now we have to divide QS by Q. Q will be cancelled, answer will be S. So we have to multiply P by S. P into S. Now plus. We write here plus. S. The LCM of Q and S is QS. So QS, we have to divide QS by S. S is cancelled, answer is 2. So we have to multiply R by Q. R into Q. PS plus RQR. QR by QS. This is the addition of two rational numbers when denominators are not equal. So we take example. Here we take examples 7 by 12 and we have to take an example to solve this. Add 7 by 12 and minus 5 by 8. Add 7 by 12 and minus 5 by 8. Here we see that in both rational numbers, denominators are unequal, means denominators are not equal. First step, we see 7 by 12 plus minus 5 by 8. Here we see that the denominators of both rational number is positive, so there is no need to change the denominator sign. Second, we take the LCM of both denominators. So we take the LCM of both denominators 12 and 8. 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 3 1 ja 9. LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 3, sorry, into 2 into 3. तो आंसर आता है 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8, 3 जा 12. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8, 3 जा 24. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24. So we get the LCM of these fractions. Now both are common. You can solve it in down. We write here 24. Now we write 7 into 2. Divide 24 by 12. So 24 by 12. 12 2 are 24. 2 times. So we multiply 7 by into 2 plus minus 5 into divide 24 by 8. 8 3 ja 24. 3 times. So we multiply minus 5 by 3. 7 2 ja 14. Now multiply the sign. Plus minus minus, minus plus minus. 5 3 ja 15 by 24. Here negative, when negative is when the first of all in addition we see the sign. Here negative before 15 there is negative sign, before 14 is positive sign. So before 15 is greater than 14, before 15 there is minus. So जो नंबर बड़ी दिखती है उसके पहले जो साइन लग रहा होता है, अगर अपोजिट साइन है तो जिस बड़ी नंबर के सामने जो साइन लगा रहता है, if the sign before larger number, when we add two rational numbers and the sign of both rational numbers are different, so in addition we write the sign before which number, before the larger number sign, the sign before larger number. In addition, when both in addition two numbers are not equal, the sign of larger number is greater. So the sign of larger number, बड़ी संख्या के पहले क्या साइन है? माइनस. तो यहाँ पे माइनस लिखते हैं क्योंकि ये 14 है, दिस इज 15. 15 के पहले माइनस है, 14 के पहले प्लस है. तो जो बड़ी संख्या के पहले जो साइन होता है उसी का साइन लेते हैं. तो बड़ी संख्या 15 है, उसके पहले का साइन क्या है? माइनस. अब नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट स्मॉलर नंबर फ्रॉम ग्रेटर. अब बड़ी संख्या में छोटी संख्या को आउट कर देते हैं. तो 15 में से हमने 14 को आउट किया तो हमें आंसर क्या मिला? 1. सो इट इज 24. सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ 7 by 12 plus minus 5 by 8 minus 1 by 24. Operation on rational number, addition of rational number. You can add two rational number in two ways. First condition we have to study that denominators of two rational numbers are equal. In those conditions, we simply add numerator and write the common denominators. When in second case, when denominators of given rational numbers are unequal, when the rational numbers are given and the denominators of rational numbers are not equal, in those conditions we have to take the LCM of denominators. As we have to see P by Q and R by S, Qs is the LCM. We divide the LCM by first denominator. What we get answer? We multiply the numerator in our first rational number. After this, we have to divide the LCM by second denominators, and what we get answer? We have to multiply in the numerator of second rational number by that answer. What we get answer? For example, 7 by 12 minus 5 by 8. Here we have to take the LCM of 12 by 8 because denominators are not equal. 12 by 8. To see that 12, we get the LCM of 12 by 8, 24. We divide 24 by 12. So we get answer 2. So we multiply 7 into 2 and we divide 24 by 8. We get answer 3. So we multiply minus 5 into 3. 7 to the 14 and the product of opposite sign is minus 5 to the 15. So we see that there are two numbers 14 and 15. Before 14 is plus, before 15 is minus. First of all we see in when opposite sign are given, because here is plus, here is negative. Before the larger number, the sign which is present, we have to write that sign. Before 15 there is minus. So our next step, we have a smaller number from greater number. 15 is greater than 14, so we out 14 from 15 to get 14. So this is the answer. This is the condition when we add two rational numbers. So it is sufficient for today. I think all of you have understood about operation of addition of rational numbers. So it is sufficient for today, and you have to see the video and understand. If you do not understand it one time, you have to see it again and again. I think you will be understanding. You will understand. So it is sufficient for today.